Alright, so I've decided to do maybe a weekly video, depending if I have enough time with, whole college and stuff, is to, say, have airsoft reverse a particular object, and if you guys want to see something, me shooting with an airsoft gun, just put it in the comments below. Today we have good old-fashioned floppy disk. Ask your dad what this is. It's old, it's probably like a megabyte, like 1 megabyte, maybe 2, 12 if you're lucky, the good ones. Yeah, hold absolutely no information on it. Back in the day, they were phenomenal. They hold so much information. Now we got a flash drive that holds like 8 times as much, probably like 30 times as much. Anyways, I'll be using the UTG l96 sniper rifle that shoots about 430 now. Uh, and let's see what kind of damage this does today. Oh, and just for today, I'm doing a quick one from 25 meters away. And so let's start. As you can see, well, quite destructive. We got particles and pieces everywhere here. Oh, hold on. Annoying zoom real quick. Sorry about that, guys. A piece here. Oh. Piece here, a piece there. Go in here and look at more damage here. You can see it completely fucked it up. This went right through, right through. This one didn't get as much damage because it fell down faster, but still. Oh, look, see that? The metal actually stopped the BB from going all the way through. And here. See? Just detrimental. These things had no stand up to this. Ripped right through. This one took most of the damage. Let's see. This one, not so much. Still pretty much a lot of damage. Cracks there, dent there. And there you go, guys. And if you guys want to see anything cooler than this, just leave comments in below. Depending on what I got laying around, depending what I'm spending on buying stuff like this to destroy. But normally this will be outside, not inside my room, because it's messy, and it's no fun shooting from like 25 feet away. Or like 10, 15 feet away. So anyways, there you go. Fun little video. More to come, more better to come. Maybe I'll have the WeTech Scar, I'll have a triple gunfire, 3 people shooting at a single target at the same time with 3 different guns. I most likely be using the UTG. Moose will be using the WeTech Scar that you guys all love. And my friend that will remain nameless until we give him a nickname will probably be buying an electric L95, depending on whatnot. And there you go. Nice all UG.